Hello, good morning. This is Parameswari. Today I am going to discuss about what is trade and types of trade. Why trade? Countries trade with each other when on their own. They do not have the resources or capacity to satisfy their own needs and wants. By developing and exploiting their domestic scarce resources, countries can produce a surplus and trade this for the resources they need. Trade is important because all countries have limited resources to respond to their people's needs. So countries trade with one another to complete each other's needs. No country can produce all the products and services that the population needs. For example, you cannot build a modern house by yourself. You cannot make a car by yourself. You rely on the services provided by other people. Others make the things you need while you specialize in one service. Your work is a service to others and others pay you for it. The same thing applies to countries. A country cannot produce everything. Therefore, trade is very important for national and global economic growth as we all depend on each other. Trading in ancient times. Barter system. Before money was invented, the barter system was used for trading. What is barter system? Barter is an act of goods or services between two or more parties without the use of money. That means exchange of goods for goods. So now coming to this topic, what is trade? After money comes, people feels money is best described as a medium of exchange. Money allows an individual to trade what he has for what he needs and wants. So what is trade? Buying and selling of goods and services for money. It involves transfer of goods and services. The manufacturers or producer produce the goods, then moves on to the wholesaler, then to retailer, and finally to the ultimate consumer. Types of trade. Trade can be classified into home trade and foreign trade. Home trade can be further classified into wholesale trade and retail trade. Foreign trade can be further classified into import, export, and entrepot trade. What is home trade? Home trade, it also called domestic or internal trade. The act of buying and selling of goods and services within the boundaries of a country is called home trade. The trade done within the boundaries of a particular country with the object of distribution of goods within the country is called home trade. In home trade, a single currency is used as means of exchange. What is retail and wholesale trade? Retail trade. Retailing is business where an organization directly sells its products and services to an end consumer for personal use. Every sale of goods and services to final consumer is called retail trade. What is wholesale trade? Wholesalers sell to the retailers or other merchants and are industrial, institutional and commercial users, but do not sell in significant to ultimate consumers. The wholesaler buy goods and commodities in large quantities from the manufacturers for the purpose of further selling them in small quantities to the retailer is called wholesale trade. Home trade. Home trade can be classified into retail trade and wholesale trade. We can see the differences the retail and wholesale trade. In retail trade, selling goods in small quantities. In wholesale trade, selling in bulk quantities. So in retail trade, target final consumers and sells goods to them. In wholesale trade, sells goods to the businesses as they purchase goods to sell it further. In retail trade, usually sell at the shops, but in wholesale trade, always deliver goods at the doorstep of the retailers. In retail trade, deals in a variety of goods. He need not influence buyers, that the buyer can choose the product. In wholesale trade, specialize in a particular product, he has to necessarily convince the retailers about the product. Foreign or international trade. What is foreign trade? Foreign trade is a trade between nations. The exchange of goods and services between two or more countries is called foreign trade. Foreign trade is also called external trade. Foreign trade. Foreign trade consists of imports, exports and intra-import trade. What is import trade? The purchase of goods from a foreign country is called import trade. It refers purchase of goods by a firm in one country from a firm in another country. The inflow of goods in a country is called import trade. What is export trade? The sale of goods and services to a foreign country is called export trade. It refers to sale of goods by a firm in one country to a firm in another country. The outflow of goods from a country is called export trade. What is intra-import trade? When goods are purchased or imported for the purpose of sale or export after taking certain special advantage is called intra-import trade. It is also known as re-export. It refers to purchase of goods by a firm from one country and then selling them to a firm in another country. Many times goods are imported for the purpose of re-export after some processing operations. This is called intra-import trade. Thank you.